Hello team, hello friends, good evening to everyone. See, today we expect market is holiday. Why? Because NSE list is shown as a holiday. But after some times NSE has decided today also working day. So that market has run. Uh, Even I am not sure market how it will perform and all. After market open, I have checked with 950. That only market mode very nicely positive territory. It has touched 40,000. That is good achievement we reached today, and after that it has taken selling pressure and moved to almost 39,500 480 also. See, coming to the SGX Nifty, it's running as 18,433. Our market is ended with 18,418. That means almost 30 points positive is showing. 418 or 12, 11 12 points is positive. We are going to discuss about tomorrow market. Tomorrow is Wednesday. Wednesday, as we know very well, market is very volatile. We are expecting. Even today, I didn't expect volatile market, but it has performed as a volatile only. Almost 300 to 400 points volatile we expected. Positive to negative, negative to positive. Continuous day we see only volatile market. Tomorrow also I'm expecting selling pressure from the market. Why? Because all market went to upside. There many people are thinking market will fall. That's why selling pressure has started. See, if we observe Nifty 50 ended with 18,418. See the chart. While opening as a positive, it has taken correction within the 30 minutes. It's fall almost 100 points fall is there. 100 to 150 points fall is there in the Nifty only. After that, it has taken U-turn and moved up, but it has not crossed today high level. That's why again it has taken correction. If it's crossed today high level, we used to expect positive only, but it has not happened. If you see complete U symbol is there. See, when we see these scenarios, tomorrow also we are expecting selling pressure. Let's see how market will perform. But US market is running is positive. As per my knowledge, tomorrow also expecting negative. If we see today market, I given one call, that is that 40,000 put option given at 305, target has given 500, but it has reached 675 is the high. That is one good moment. And also IEX call, I said one of my client asked me to do what we do. I suggested them hold it IEX for 1 month. Let's see how it will perform. Last week he has holded at 40 rupees. It has moved to 140 to 165. That is good profit he has booked. And also after that I given IEX call and put both side we it has been performed more than 25 points. Even put side it has performed more than 100 points, 50 to 165. That is also good performed today. Like that we are providing Nifty Bank. See that to same how Nifty performed, same like that only Nifty Bank also performed today. Okay, once upon a time it has touched with 40,000. That is the one milestone has reached high miles. After that it has taken selling pressure. It's fall more, almost 35,000, 39,500 to down. Again it has taken U-turn. It's moved up and down. It's consolidated. It's taken negative. So Nifty and Bank Nifty both I am expecting selling pressure only tomorrow also. If any news comes, positive news, then only it will move upside. Okay. And also if anyone observed IRCTC, it has moved 367 to 385 points positive. End of the day it moved to 266 points negative. Almost 600 to 700 points market has performed. See, all the markets is performing well. Whatever the directions and prediction I'm providing here on YouTube and Telegram channel, all the description, This is only for learning purpose. I am not suggesting anyone to trade. Learn from here, then if you are happy you can trade. We are not authorized for the loss or profits. Whatever the profits, book it. See, I'm keep on suggesting to every new customer, if you get the profits, book it. Don't wait for the targets and all. Okay, and in the description I'm going to provide Upstox and Alice Blue links as well. If any new customers going to log in or register, please click the links and register. Alice Blue are charging 15 rupees per order and Upstox is charging 20 rupees per order. First 1 month free trade is there. Upstox